You feel there is a lot of tensions or pressures in your lower back, you just want someone pull it away or decompress, well, I have a tip for you. Find a comfortable surface and lay down, having your knees slightly bent. Put both hands on your hip and push towards your feet. And hold this position about 10 seconds. Now, you can look at option 2, get a towel, roll it up, pull behind your back. You can bend your knee or move the towel up towards your head to change the positions and hold for 10 seconds. So let me know if those 2 exercises had helped. Comment below if you want to see more. I'll see you next time.